The store is making thousands of dollars with the same trick I'm about to tell you. Hello money seekers, in this video I will share a trick using which you can make money from Etsy selling digital products. So you don't need any inventory, they don't need any maintenance, you just need to follow the steps of this video and subscribe in order to not miss any make money online trick. It stands for easy to sell yourself. As the name suggests, you yourself can sell and scale very easily. That's why we are going to use Etsy for selling digital products, and the best part is you don't need any money to start and you don't need to make any digital product yourself. In this tab, we will search for what's selling right now, for which we will be using Etsy's search bar and type your digital product, whether it be ebook, invitation, or printable wall art. Here you can see this word pop up, and this means these are selling right now as people are searching for these. From here you can choose and niche down to separate yourself from the crowd. You can also use 000+.com to research for what's selling right now by using 000 search tab. In this tab we will be making our digital product very easily. For this we will use canva.com. Here you can search for the digital product you want to make, whether it be book cover, invitation or wall art. From here you can use template by just changing few words, and in this way you can make book cover, invitation, wall art and more. Moreover, for wall art you can use public domain images too. You can get free public domain images from freeimages.com. For ebook you can use freeplrdownloads.com. Step C. Now you will have your own digital product ready to sell. After this, go to Etsy and sign up and upload your digital product. And now you can enjoy your passive income. If you will get one winning product, you can make thousands of dollars per month. So keep making and uploading design. So that's all for this video. Do subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Till then, you can watch this video.